Animal Study by Bryant Voigt. The cat sleeps stretched out like someone's fur piece, or rolled up, warm as flannel. She can sleep outside, on a flat rock, full white belly up, claws pulled in, soft neck exposed. She dreams of how she will slink through tall grass without disturbing it, and discover there with her famous eyes a rabbit for her pleasure, or a mouse whose rapid breathing gives it away. Gently she will embrace it, one arm around its shoulders, the other moving gracefully to strike. Or she thinks of the lovely bird swooping and gliding, and how she will leap up higher and higher over the clothesline, her arms elastic and extending themselves forever. And waking slowly is like coming home to sit on a patterned rug and wash herself. Exquisite, invulnerable, hers is the grace of power. Like the spider spinning his shimmering filigree, or the clear mosaic of the snake's imperial head.